The AMAP 3's conversion kit allows you to directly attach the AMAP 3 to almost any plate carrier. Agilite plate carriers come already fitted with the K-series attachment system that allows you to directly attach assault packs. However, if your department or military unit mandate a non-Agilite plate carrier, the conversion kit can be retrofitted in minutes and makes any plate carrier compatible with Agilite assault packs. Here's how to install it. To attach the conversion kit, the back of your plate carrier needs to have at least 2 rows of 4 MOLLE slots down its center. First, thread the conversion kit's back panel down the back of your plate carrier's central MOLLE. Then, take the 2 provided replacement buckles and attach them to the MOLLE that is the closest to the sides and around the middle of your plate carrier. Next, remove the 2 detachable buckles off of your AMAP 3 and attach them to the MOLLE on the 2 bottom corners of your plate carrier. Now, remove the AMAP 3's shoulder straps and rear strip and store the rear strip in its designated stow area. Next, attach the AMAP 3's hook to the loop of your plate carrier and connect the buckles. Lastly, pull the top tabs located on the conversion kit's back panel through the shoulder slots on your AMAP 3. After installation, you can don or duff your assault pack in seconds. For more info on the AMAP 3, visit agilitegear.com.